our chapter Trigonometry using calculator intended for grade 10 pupils or Form 4 pupils. So grade 10, subject maths, chapter Trigonometry, part Trigonometry using calculator. Aim. The aim of this lesson is to solve problems involving trigonometry. Objective. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to understand, calculate, and find the side of a right-angled triangle from a side and an angle given using SOHCAHTOA and a calculator. Requirements. Students must have a knowledge of Pythagoras theorem from grade 8 and trigonometry from grade 9. So example 1. Find the side x to 1 dp using a calculator in each example. So in each example, what can we see is a side and an angle is given in a right angle triangle. Required to find a side. So we have 6 examples. Now solution part A. Angle given 27 degrees. Opposite to it is x. So x is the opposite. 18 is the longest side. This is the hypotenuse. The other side, adjacent, is not given and is not required to find. So we need to find opposite, which is x, and hypotenuse given. So we are going to use only O and H. We write so, ka, twa. Where do we have O and H is so, means we are going to use sine. So sine of angle is equal to, so means sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So sine 27 opposite over hypotenuse. Sine 27 is opposite x. Hypotenuse 18. So sine 27 is x over 18. So we cross multiply. X is 18 times sine 27. Using a calculator, we obtain x is equal to 8.1718. So to 1 dp, x becomes 8.2. So here we 1, so 8.2. Now part B, angle given 33, just opposite to it is 17. So 17 is opposite. X is a hypotenuse. We only use OH. So SOHCAHTOA OH. Sine means sine of angle is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Sine of angle opposite 17 divided by hypotenuse x. So here we cross multiply. X division, when it goes on the other side, sine 33 becomes the denominator. So x is 17 over sine 23, which is 31.213. So x is 31.221 dp. Part C. So opposite to angle 41, we have the opposite. The longest side is the hypotenuse. So the other remaining side becomes adjacent. So here opposite is not given and not required to find. Hypotenuse is given, required to find x or the adjacent, AH. So we are going to make use of AH. So ka, twa. Where do we have AH is cos. So we are going to make use of cos. Cos of angle is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Cos 41, adjacent is x, hypotenuse 7.5. Now we cross multiply. We obtain x is equal to 7.5 cos 41. So x is 5.6603 to 1 dp to 1 dp. So 6 exceeding 5. We add 1, we obtain 5.7 meters per d. So opposite to 46, we have opposite. Other side adjacent, longest side hypotenuse. So we do not know the opposite and not required to find. Hypotenuse given, required to find hypotenuse, okay, and adjacent given, AH. So cut 3, where do we have AH? Cos. So cos of angle 46 adjacent over hypotenuse, cos 46 is equal to adjacent 9 hypotenuse x. So here cross multiply, x on the right hand side is division, when it goes on the left hand side is become multiplication. Cos 46, when it goes to the right hand side it becomes division. So x is 9 divided by cos 46. Using a calculator we obtain 12.956. So to 1 dp 5, the second dp is 5, so we add 1, it becomes 13.0 meters to 1 dp. 40. So opposite to 36 is x. The other side is adjacent, longest side hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is not given and not required to find, so we are going to use O and A. So K3, where do we have O and A? C'est tan. This means we are going to use tan of angle 36, opposite over adjacent, tan 36, opposite is x, adjacent is 20. So to obtain x, we cross multiply. So we cross multiply, we obtain x is equal to 20 tan 36, x is equal to 14.5308 to 1 dp. We have x is equal to 14.5 meters. Part F, so opposite to the angle 49, we have 5.7 meters. This is opposite. The other side is adjacent. So the longest side, the hypotenuse, is not given and not required to find. So we are going to use opposite and adjacent. So O and A, we are going to use tan. So tan of 47, opposite over adjacent. Tan 49 is equal to opposite is 5.7. So 5.7, adjacent is x. So here we cross multiply. X goes on the other side, becomes multiplication. Tan goes on the other side, becomes division. So x is 5.7 divided by tan 49. Using a calculator, we obtain x is equal to 4.954. So to 1 dp to 1 dp, we obtain x is equal to 5.0 meters. So example 2. Find x to 1 dp using a calculator. So here we have a side and an angle given in a right angle triangle required to find another side. So we have 6 examples which you can attempt yourself.